Welcome to Adventurous Spirit. Today's video is about Bali, the Indonesian jewel that is one of the most visited exotic destinations in the world. Bali is an Indonesian island known for its forested volcanic mountains, iconic rice paddies, beaches and coral reefs. The island is home to many wonderful religious sites, amazing beaches and popular resort towns. The island is also known for its yoga and meditation retreats. Here are some amazing and interesting facts you did not know about Bali. Bali has just two seasons, dry season, April to October, and wet season, October to April. The overall temperature remains moderate across Bali as the island enjoys a tropical climate. While Bali is the name of the main island, it is also a province that includes a handful of smaller islands congregated off the main island's southeast coast. These are Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan, and Nusa Seningan, a cluster of much smaller islands relatively unknown to mass tourism, but amazing in scenery. White sand and black sand beaches. While there are some stunning white sand beaches that around the island, there are some with black sand too. Take for example Lavina Beach, where the beach is covered in black sand that comes from the cooled lava of the Mount Agung volcano. Another interesting fact is about the Balinese babies. They are carried everywhere the first few months of their lives. This is because they are not allowed to touch the ground. They are considered little angels. Their connection to the spirits is kept intact by not touching the earth. Due to Bali's unique location on the Ring of Fire and having its own set of volcanoes, there are a few hidden natural hot springs situated on the island. These mineral-rich hot water pools are regularly used by the locals for purifying and cleansing, but most tourists have never heard of them. The last interesting fact about Bali is about the locals' names. You will find a lot of people called Wayan, Maid, Nyoman or Kedit. Actually, most Balinese people are given one of these four names, male or female. It simply means firstborn, secondborn, thirdborn and fourthborn. That's it for today. We hope you have enjoyed our video. Please take the time to like the video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down in the comments box to suggest a new topic for the next video. Enjoy traveling.